Hello and welcome to a new Lakeside Parkway video. Right, today then, something very exciting. We've finally started the Lakeside Parkway 2.0. So, yeah, like I say, we've been waiting to get the loft boarded for quite a while now. So, like I say, it's finally done. Like I say, got it all boarded. We've got lights in here. Like I say, this isn't Lakeside Parkway 2.0. This is just me having a play. Some of my trains needed a good run, so they've been having a good run. But yeah, this is where it's going to be. So the plan is, it's nothing's finalised yet, but let me show you. Just make sure I don't kick anything. Yeah, so plan is to have a board across here. And then a thinner board running along here, board across the back there, and a board across there, and then a removable, like just small section to lift off there, and then to have boards in between these on each side. One will be a fiddle yard, and hopefully one will be a container yard. But yeah, that's the plan. Like I say, I was surprised when we got it done how much room we've got down here. I'm thinking of only having the layout roughly about 60 centimetres-ish off the floor, just so it doesn't get taken up too much by these. Like I say, there's quite a bit of room in there. There's roughly about half a metre play on each side. Yeah, so I'm just giving trains a bit of a run at the minute. So, like I say, I thought I'd show you what we got. So, this is something that hasn't been ran very much at all, which is the Bachmann Class 90 and Virgin Pendolino. We've also got, I don't know if I showed you this in the last video, one of these pink one Freightliner 66s. All the trains are currently stored down there, so quite a lot. We've got power as well up here now, so yeah, we're getting there with it. Like I say, so hopefully, like I said, I don't think the boards are going to be started anytime soon, like I say, in the next couple of months. So I'm planning on getting just a few pieces of track just to run down here to give me a loop around the back here, so I can just run some longer trains. Like I say, nothing's really been ran for a good 2 years, so everything needs a really good run. Like I say, when I got this, because this one was pretty much new when I took the old layout down, so it was a bit iffy to start, but yeah, so yeah, it's getting there. There's a fly on there. Yeah, so like I say, it's quite good up here. Like I say, there's quite a lot of room, quite airy. I can stand up very well in here. Like I say, it's such a high pitch ceiling. So I think I should be able to do something a bit better than what the old layout was, hopefully. I've got a few plans. All the buildings and stuff from the old layout are all up here. So, like I say, nothing's missing as such. Obviously, we're going to have all new track. We're going to have all new track. I've got a few plans which I'll keep secret for now. Like I say, follow Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, like I say, and you can see a very early design plan for what we're going to do. Like I say, we've got a proper loft ladder as well, so should be quite safe getting up here. Like I say, so yeah, in the meantime, if you got anything that you know I have in the collection that you want to see run, let me know. Like I say, as you can see, that's all 3 deep back there, so there's quite a lot of trains. I've just got a few of my favourites out to give them a run. So, as you can probably see, let me zoom in down. Yeah. At the back there is the Hatton's Class 66. So that is the first time that that's actually been run on this layout. Opinions on it, not very good. Have to say it derailed 3 times, I think, in about 10 minutes. So I wasn't that impressed with it. We'll see. I'm not got any plans to buy any more at the minute. I know my Class 66 videos got pretty much the most views I've ever had on a video. But not that impressed. I might do a proper sum up of owning it a year in a couple of months. If, like I say, if you want me to do that, put a comment down below. Got a few exciting things happening in the next couple of months, so make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and like I say, any comments or anything, comment down below. Like I say, any help would be amazing at the minute. Like, what kind of wood do people use for layout? See, I've always used MDF. I've never had a problem with it, so I was thinking, like I say, MDF like that, which I've got a few left over from the old layout. But I know a lot of people are saying, like I say, it's quite warm up here. Like I say, it's a modern house, so it's very well insulated up here, so it's not cold. So, but I know a lot of people are saying plywood, it's a 9mm ply, but like I say, any help would be really helpful. Like I say, so yeah, thanks for watching and keep in touch. Like I say, this is part 1 of probably about 1,000 parts of a layout update. But yeah, and just to let you know, I am worried about them falling down here, so I do keep, like I say, nothing's derailed yet, but I'm hoping to get the extension track ASAP so it don't have to run so close. But yeah, thank you for watching and see you all soon.